Hey guys, we are about to go ahead into Coach Outlet and check out the drop. I hope it lives up to our expectations. Hey sis, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivienne-Karlene and I hope today you're feeling blessed and not stressed. I just got back from Coach Outlet. I had to go down there today. I really wanted to see what this new collection with the reimagined floral print from last spring summer was really looking like, and I wanted to get this video up today so I can show you a comparison of last year's pieces and this year's pieces. Today when I went to Coach Outlet, I stuck to my rule of 3. I did not go overboard today with my spending. I limited myself to try and get new to me pieces that I don't normally have within my collection. So enough talking, let me go ahead and show you what it is. Let's go ahead and get into today's video because I want to show you what I got. Here is an up close and personal look at what came out last year with the floral print. If you want to see a video of the other bag that I have, please go ahead and scroll down on my page and you will see a full video where I showed my studio bag in this print. It is absolutely gorgeous. So just to give you a look at what came out last year, now let me show you what was offered at the outlet today. So I tried to keep things very simple. Like I said before, I wasn't trying to do too much because I really want to use a lot of the bags that I already have in my collection. And for me, that looks like playing more with accessories, and so I really focused on getting a few accessory pieces. First piece that I picked up was a simple card case. I avoided getting the mini skinny with the zip and the key ring because I really don't like having to mess with that too much, so I chose this case. It's just very simple, and I really do not have any bags that's in this classic signature print color. I have a penny and a khaki. I have the dark chocolate and the peanut butter. Yeah, so I don't know, this might work with the peanut butter. You guys let me know what you think. So this is how it looks compared to what we got last year. Okay, the second thing I picked up, and I've been eyeballing this particular piece on Louis Vuitton pre-love sites, a lot of like Fashion File and things like that, and I'm always looking at this coin pouch, and when I see it on Fashion File and you know what goes around comes around, you know, the real all those sites, I'm like, man, that is $200, but am I gonna really, it's roughly on average, I've seen it for $200, $230, $280, and I'm like, I don't know if I want to spend all that money and I'm not going to use this piece. So I think this is a great way to try before you buy. This piece was about $50, maybe $58, I'm not sure, and it's, to me, it's really cute. And you already know I love the print, so to me it was a win-win. And I'm getting to the age where I actually need a coin pouch. Like I be having all these little coins, girl. I'm like, oh my gosh, where I get all these coins from? But you don't have to use it just for coins. But I think that this is cute and it's a nice way to try before you buy. And this is how it looks. I'm just showing you guys. They really, to me, Coach really did a good job with this. All right. I know we're going kind of fast, but I don't want to take up your time in case you feel like shopping. So I've got one more. This piece, girl, this piece made me put down my Nolita 19 because it's easy to reach for the Nolita 19. She's like a pochette style bag and it's just an easy choice. But when I saw this, I was like, wait a minute, Coach, I know you didn't. Coach, I know you did not do this to LV because I've been looking on pre-loved sites and I've considered getting a toiletry pouch like this style The 15 is too small. I think they have the 19 and the 26. But those things are not cheap. And I was just not ready to add to cart and check out. So I found another try before I buy. And this is it right here. This cutie right here reminds me so much of the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch. It's not quite the 15. It's not quite, you know, it's not quite the 19 or the, of course it's not the 26, but it's somewhere in the middle. I do not even know all the measurements. I just know that it is cute. I plan on rocking it like that, like a little clutch moment. But what I really do like about this, it's actually a crossbody bag. Yes, so let me go ahead and get the chain on here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the glazing in a minute. Coach did really well, in my opinion, with this collection. It's just enough. I thought the city tote for me was a little bit much. Let me move out the way so you can see it. I just think it's cute. The city tote was a little bit much for me because I have city totes that I don't really reach for very often, and I figured this was a really good way to incorporate this new style and print into my existing collection without doing too much. We have 2 interior pockets to hold cards. They stuffed mine for me, which was really nice of them to do. I like that we actually have this little tab right here that we can pull and zip. It has a hang tag right here. Check out the glazing on this. It is so pretty, and it's such a simple bag to carry. And that is it, y'all. That's all I grabbed from the collection, because we all know that in a few days or maybe a week or two, this stuff is going to be on sale. So I did not mind spending $109. I did not mind spending like 20 something. Did not mind spending 50 something and getting my 10% off. So I was able to get all of these for less than $200. To me, that was a win. It was fair. I really love the pieces. I'm going to go ahead and insert some more photos of what they had available. Since we're not allowed to record at Coach Outlet anymore, I took tons of pictures. So whatever I do not put here, I'm going to make sure that I share those pictures with you on the community page, so you can get so that you can just see all that they have to offer, including the bugs and butterflies as well that's on the white background. I thought that was beautiful, but it was just not for me. I love this more, and so that's why I got this. So let me know, comment below what you think about this collection. This is the retail version, and this is the outlet version. I think it's a beautiful collection, and I like how it looks on this dark background. Okay, that's it for today's video, sis. I hope you enjoyed it. And listen, sis, I gotta go, but in case nobody tells you this, or in case you have not heard this today, let me be the first to tell you, sis, that you are loved, you are amazing, you are blessed, you are beautiful, you are talented, you are gifted. You were created by God to do some amazing things. God loves you, I love you, and sis, I want you to believe this with your whole heart, that you deserve every good thing that God has to give you. So until we hang out again, next time it's going to be in the closet, but I just had to get in here because I couldn't even find my remote to turn my lights on in the closet. So that's why we're standing in here. But until we meet in our next video, sis, stay blessed, not stressed, and I will see you in the next video.